Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to share with you my first foray into doing palette bingo. So I was encouraged to do this by Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner, and I decided to do my first palette bingo with the Magic Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. I apologize. I've only had this palette for maybe 2 months, but for whatever reason Nubia, the pan on Nubia fell out. I have it stored in this Z palette. It's right here. So without further delay, let us get into this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go across row by row. So this will be 1 through 4, 5 through 8, and so on. And that's how I'm going to do it. I'm using random.org to generate the numbers. And I think I'm going to do 4 colors. And I'm going to start generating 1, of course. So Nubia. Let me swatch them because this is my second time trying to film this video. I got, on my first try, okay, let me swatch the colors for you. Okay, this just isn't gonna work well. Alright, that's color number 1. 4, which is Kessie, as you can kind of see. Alright, this is 2 of 4 colors. I'm not excited yet. 16, which would be Yejide, I'm not sure. It's like the deep blue color in the palette. There we go. Last color. 13, so 16, 15, 14, 13, okay. Which is Ife. There we go. Alright, this is going to be kind of awkward because there's 2 really dark colors. But I think I kind of know what I'm going to do. So just give me a second. I'm going to come back. I'm going to prime my eyes and then I'll be ready to start digging in. So I'm going to start off with this color, Kessie. I'm going to go all over both of my eyes. I usually do not powder down, but I'm using this color for 2 purposes. One is to powder down this sticky base. The other reason is because I'm going to use this color to establish a gradient. Oh god, I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, I'm going to try to use it to establish a gradient with these 2 very dark colors. And try to dilute some of their color. We'll see how well that works. Next, I think I'm going to go into Ife, the more purple color, and I think what I'm thinking is I'm probably going to end up doing something like a cut crease. So I'm going to go through with Ife and maybe a mix of Kessie on the outside and do like a gradient to a light purple, then do the blue with the gold on the inside. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This looks interesting so far. Obviously, I went up too far into my brows. I'll clean that up later. But now I'm going to get ready to go into this blue shade Yejide, I'm not sure. And hopefully this will work out. I just feel like it would be so, obviously it's really easy to go in with the yellow. We'll see. Okay, so I was able to get that gradients that I wanted with the blue and purples. So I'm just going to work on blending that. I think I'm going to deepen this color right here going into that transition. Same over there. And deepen the purple out on this edge. I think I might do a gold lid instead of doing the inner corners gold. We'll see when I start doing it. I'll make the final decision when I start going into the inner corner, because I could just do the center of the lid. I'm not sure yet. So we'll see what it is, the look evolves into. I think I'm going to do something finer, like this brush to go in and do this corner and kind of blend that edge. Certainly interesting. I think I need to put down this gold because I could play in this gold all day. I love this color, but I think this is about as far as I want to take it with the gold. Now I think I want to use, well, I'm gonna go back over this edge with the purple, the Estee. I'm gonna use like a fluffier brush to kind of like So here's the look so far. I have colored liner. I think it would be cool if I had like a blue or a purple liner. So let me put on the liner, and I'm going to put on lashes off camera and touch up my mascara. And then I'll be back with the final look. Okay, lashes are on, lips are on, everything is done. I was really worried about this look. On camera, it looks okay. In person, it's a little jarring. Not gonna lie. It would be a bit much to go out in. But I don't hate it, and honestly, it matches my top. Let me zoom you out so you can see this whole look. This is what it looks like. I am actually pleasantly surprised. I feel like I should do palette bingo more often. It worked out so well. I know it's not always going to work out well, but it certainly forces you to think about how to use the colors that you have. I often look at Angelica Niktis, her quads, making quads, and I've started looking at my own collection trying to make quads. So yeah, I just think differently about colors now, thankfully. So anyway, comment down below, tell me what you think about the whole process. Thank you for being patient with me while I work through everything. And just last warning, do not buy that eyeliner set off Amazon because my eyes are still burning. I can't wait to get this stuff off of my eyes because yeah. So anyway, I hope I will see you guys soon, and if you like the content that I've been producing, don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button and like, share, comment, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. So I have some videos planned, and I'll see you soon. Alright, bye.